Hello everyone. Good day. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are enjoying. Lord of prayers for your happiness and prosperity. Today's vlog is about our dine out for lunch, and we chose to go to Chili's, one of our favorite fast food destination. Here we go in. COVID-19 protocols are in practice. Restaurant is not much crowded. It's lunchtime, so people are out for work. We are looking for a good place to sit in, and yes, we find it. Here we go. It's good. Our first order is served. It's a kind of chicken soup with lot of cheese, salty but tasty. Chili's have an offer for lunch with a starter, with a drink and main course, and all in 55 Riyal. So we plan to order for that, and it's quite justified, not expensive. Our drinks are here. Lemonade for my daughter and my husband, and Diet Cola for me. Interior of the restaurant is interesting. It's beautiful, especially the ceilings with yellow lights. Our starters are southwestern egg rolls for my daughter, buffalo wings for me and my husband. Mine are with bone and my husband's are without. Yes, main course is here. It's buffalo chicken sandwich for my daughter, and mine is a kind of burger. I forget the name. My husband ordered for quesadillas with red beans and rice. Buffalo wings are quite sour for me, but tasty, so acceptable. Otherwise, food is too good. It's so amazing and relaxing to spend time and eat with family. My husband is back to the kingdom after more than 5 months due to COVID-19 pandemic. And I wish and I pray for all those families who are apart that they will be together soon. Riyadh has a lot of places to eat at. Even if you go every day to dine out, I don't think so that you can visit all the places within less than a year. Riyadh is a global city, and the kind of food is global too. We have all kind of food here. We have excellent Lebanese restaurant. We have best continental food here. And even if you want to go for Pakistani or subcontinental food, its variety is too good. We have a Korean restaurant here, and all the ingredients for Korean food are imported directly from Korea. Riyadh is a tourist destination, and one of the biggest tourist attraction is good food. That's why food is amazing here. It's scorching hot because it's middle of the day, so we need a lot of drinks. Yes, and that's it. Leftovers are packed. Beautiful view from the window. Sun is dazzling outside. Few white clouds are there on the sky, but don't be deceived by these clouds. We have too little rain during summer in Riyadh. But winter is good. A lot of rains during winter. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you will be safe, and see you.